This is a speed test between the iPhone 16 Plus versus the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. Now the iPhone 16 Plus has the regular A18 chip, which is a 3nm chipset. It has Apple GPU 5-core graphics, 8 gigs of NVMe RAM. Fresh out the box, this one has iOS 18 and hopefully an update real soon to the iOS 18.1 with the Apple Intelligence versus the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. This one has the Tensor G4, which is a 4nm chipset. It has the Mali G715 MC7 GPU, a nice and hefty 16 gigs of RAM. It's on UFS 3.1. Fresh out the box, this one has Android 14 and hopefully real soon will receive its update to Android 15, and Google promises 7 major Android upgrades for this phone. Very nice. So let's go ahead and turn on both phones and see which one has the faster boot up. And let's go! iPhone 16 Plus versus Google Pixel 9 Pro XL speed test. Which phone will have the faster boot up? Oh! And as you can see, Pixel 9 Pro XL here, super fast on the boot up. That was really fast. And the iPhone 16 Plus has a respectable boot up time as well. Very fast in its own right, but I'm gonna give the win to the Pixel. And we are in. I'll go ahead and swipe over here. These are the apps I'm going to be using for this speed test. I'm gonna do this on the Pixel and do this on the iPhone 16 Plus. As you can see, no recent items on the Pixel, and there is nothing in the background on the iPhone 16 Plus. All apps, caches, everything has been cleared out. So let's get started by tapping the phone app. Very close. Now the Pixel does have this fancy animation, so you can take this one with a grain of salt. Messages. Again, the Pixel with the fancy animation, you can take this one with a grain of salt also, but very close either way. Calculator. Very close. Let's go ahead and input a simple calculation here. And we'll leave it right there. The camera. Oh, let me know down below. Very close. Let's go ahead and switch to the front facing here, and we'll leave it there. App Store and Play Store. I'm gonna give that to the Pixel. Let's go ahead and click on any app here. Let's go ahead and click on just this one. We'll click on one more here, and we'll leave it here. Amazon. Ooh, very close. The Pixel slightly out in front. Slow down the video for me on YouTube, 0.25x, and let me know. Let's go ahead and click on this one. And we'll click on this TV here, a little bit faster on the 16 Plus on that step, and we can leave it there. eBay. Oh man, so close. I don't know, man. Let me know down below. We'll go ahead and click on these Nikes here. Leave it there. Snapchat. Oh, I don't know, man. You guys let me know down below. Facebook. A little bit faster on the 16 Plus. Instagram. 16 Plus. Threads. 16 Plus again. Angry Birds 2. Starting up and logging in on the iPhone. iPhone super fast. Ooh, will the Pixel catch up? Oh man, this might be interesting. It does not catch up, and we'll give the win to the 16 Plus on this one. Although the Pixel's right there, not too far behind. Mario Run. Loading on both. And we'll give the win to the 16 Plus on this one. And the Pixel 9 here. Here we go. We'll tap to begin. iPhone a little bit faster on this step as well. Sonic Boom. Super fast on the iPhone. Pixel's right there though. We'll play a little bit. Subway Surf. Ooh, okay. iPhone super quick. And the Pixel, it's right there, not too far behind. We'll tap to play. Temple Run 2. Loading on both. And the iPhone here is super fast. And the Pixel, it's right there, but the iPhone is a little bit faster. We'll let this run. And as you can see, iPhone's ahead. We can tap to play a little bit and we can leave it there. We do have the PUBG. Looks like the iPhone's out in front. Hearing noise from the iPhone first, loading on the iPhone, and the iPhone super fast on this. As you can see, wow, yeah, iPhone here is having some separation here from the Pixel. So you can see the Pixel still loading this. Get rid of that. And then here we go with the Pixel. So let's go ahead and check out the RAM management on both phones. So you can see here on the iPhone, everything is in the background. And I'm gonna do the same thing on the 9 Pro XL. So you can see everything's right there. So we'll run through these apps again and we'll have a look to see if there's gonna be any lags or any stutters or any reloads. Now keep in mind, the 9 Pro XL does have a nice and hefty 16 gigs of RAM, so that is nice of Google to include, apparently for Gemini. So let's go ahead and run through these apps and we'll just have a look. Starting first with the Temple Run. So you can see, we can continue here. 3 seconds on the Pixel, although this one just went straight into it. That's interesting. It didn't show the 3 seconds. So take that for what it is, Subway Surf. And we can resume here in 3 seconds. Non-issues for either phone, the Sonic Boom. We can resume here in 3 seconds. And we can continue to play Mario Run. And then here we go, we can continue this game. Angry Birds 2. There we go. No reloads on either phone yet. Threads. Same place. Instagram. Non-issues. Facebook. No worries. Snapchat. Now what happened to the Pixel 9 Pro there? I don't know about that one. And with 16 gigs of RAM, I don't think you should be doing that. So take a note of that. iPhone, no reload. eBay. Same place. Amazon. Same place on both. The App Store, Play Store. Nice and oh! I was gonna say nice and buttery, but the iPhone 16 Plus stuttered on that one. So take note of that. The camera. There we go, both went back to the rear facing. The calculator. Same place. Messages. Non-issues. And finally, the phone app. Boom. So let me know in the comments below what you thought about this matchup. Are you an Apple iSheep rocking your brand spanking new iPhone 16 or 16 Plus? Are you a baller and opted for the 16 Pro Max or the smaller 16 Pro? Do you have the new AirPods Max? Are you looking forward to the Apple Intelligence? Let me know down below. Or are you on hashtag Team Pixel and rocking your brand spanking new Google Pixel 9 Pro or 9 Pro XL? Do you have the regular Google Pixel 9? Or are you a baller and have the Pixel 9 Pro Fold? Are you looking forward to the Android 15 update? And are you excited that Google promises 7 Android updates for this phone? Anyway, let me know your thoughts about this quick little speed test in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.